Hi everyone, and welcome to my tutorial on how to make a cute crochet lion. So for this, the materials you're going to need are double knit wool in yellow, dark yellow and pink with a small amount of back wool, stuffing, a 3.5mm hook, scissors, wool needle, safety eyes in their backs and a stitch marker. Starting off with part 1, the head. Using the yellow wool, for round 1 you'll do 6 single crochets into a magic ring. For round 2, you'll do 6 increases, leaving you with 12 single crochets. For round 3, you'll do 1 single crochet and 1 increase 6 times, leaving you with 18 single crochets. For round 4, you'll do 2 single crochets and 1 increase 6 times, leaving you with 24 single crochets. For round 5, you'll do 3 single crochets and 1 increase 6 times, leaving you with 30 single crochets. For round 6, you'll do 4 single crochets and 1 increase 6 times, leaving you with 36 single crochets. For round 7, you'll do 5 single crochets and 1 increase 6 times, leaving you with 42 single crochets. And for round 8, you'll do 6 single crochets and 1 increase 6 times, leaving you with 48 single crochets. Then you'll slip stitch and make a second one of these. Then after this, you'll attach eyes between rounds 5 and 6 on one of the circles. Part 2, the cheeks. Using pink wool, for round 1, you'll do 6 single crochets into a magic ring, then you'll slip stitch and fasten off, leaving a long tail to sew onto the face. Then remember to make a second one of these as well. Then once they're finished, you'll sew them onto the face just below the eyes. Part 3, the mane. Using dark yellow wool, you'll put a single crochet through both of the face panels so you can bring them together, and that is where you will start. Then in that same single crochet, you'll put 1 half double crochet. Then in the next one along, you'll do 1 double crochet, chain 1, and then do another double crochet. Then in the next single crochet, you'll do 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. Then the one after that, you'll do 1 single crochet, and then you'll repeat this again and again. So to go through this again, it's 1 half double crochet in the first one, 1 double crochet, chain 1, and another double crochet in the next one, 1 half double crochet and a single crochet in the one after that, then it's 1 single crochet and then repeat. Then you'll pause here just before you finish so you can fill it with stuffing. Then you'll slip stitch and tidy the tail away into the head. And the final part, part 4, the nose, mouth and eyebrows. So using black wool and a wool needle, you'll add a mouth, a nose and eyebrows onto the face. and now you're all finished. So thank you for watching, and please remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be uploading new crochet tutorials weekly. If you have any ideas for crochet patterns or crochet tutorials you would like me to make, I'm always open to suggestions if you just leave a comment down below.